Hi HOD creatives. Today we are going to be doing something different. Today we are going to be learning how to use AI to edit our picture, just like the ones you're seeing on the screen. You are going to be learning how to edit your headwear on your mannequin or even on a model. You're going to be learning all that. So if this is something you know you will love to learn, you have to watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video I'm going to be teaching you how to remove watermark from your pictures. That is the picture you generate with Gemini. You can use it for your products, you can use it for your work, or you can use it as a studio picture. You know, you can use it for so many things. So this is all about picture. You understand? This is all about picture. If you have any picture you want to change, you have a product, you want to change the background, you want to change the look, and so on. So this particular section is for picture, how to use AI to edit your picture to whatever way you want. So the first thing you will need is to download your app, which I told you, the Gemini app. So here is the Gemini app that is circled. You're going to download it. So when you're done downloading it, so make sure you go to Play Store and download the Gemini app. When you're done downloading it, then you will continue. So I'm going to click on it now, and it will take me, my internet is off, so let me on. We are right here at the app. This is the Gemini surface, and you enter, if it's, you know, I've been using this, so I've already entered my email. So it's going to ask you to enter your email, so you just go ahead and use your existing email and you sign in, so you are in. So this is how the surface looks like. So the next thing we are going to do now, before anything, make sure you get your prompt ready. And if you don't have it ready, you can easily type it here. This is where you can type it, but I already have my prompt ready, so I'll just go ahead to my WhatsApp and I'll just copy it. This is what I want to use, so I'll just go ahead and copy it, and I'll head back to the Gemini app and I'm pasting it here now. So this is what I have here. I said makeup and edit this mannequin, keep face and headwear unchanged, apply elegant makeup and dress her in a high fashion outfit, natural tone, cinematic lighting, portraits from under bust up, editorial photo shoot vibe. So this is what I want it to change the mannequin to. So I'll just go ahead and click on this plus sign, then choose gallery, then go to my gallery and pick a picture of one of my work and ask him. I'm just trying to look for a good picture to use. Let me check. Okay, let me go ahead and use this picture. So I'll just add it. So I'll wait for it to load. You wait for it to load. You can see it's loading, so you hold on for it to load. Okay, it has loaded now. So you just come to this place here and you just click on it and it's a go. So we are going to, you wait for it to load. So it's loading, so let's just hold on for it to load. Whew. So it keeps, so we are waiting. So this is what we have. Can you see it? It keeps my headwear intact. The face of the mannequin is intact. Now can you see how I explained to it to make the mannequin gets to the chest level and the under bust? You can see it from my right up. So this thing basically gives you exactly what you ask for. Do you understand? Exactly what you ask for, that is what it will give you. So be specific in what you want. It's all about being creative. You understand? Just like being creative. So you create a good prompt and it's going to give you a good image. So you can also apply this method to your own picture. So instead of saying mannequin, just use image. Use image or use picture. instead of saying mannequin. Do you understand? Okay, so the next thing, when you're done and you get this, you're going to save it. So just click on it and it will bring you to this platform, and you will see save down here. This is save, so you just click on that save and you go ahead. Your picture will save directly to your gallery. You can see image downloaded is right there in your gallery. So guys, that is all for this. Okay, let me show you how to remove that logo on that Gemini picture. Let me show you how to remove the logo. It's not compulsory. You can remove it, you can leave it, but in case you want to remove it, here's a video on how to remove it. So just go ahead and download this app from your Play Store. It's called Snapseed. So go ahead and download it, and when you're done, click on it. So it's going to bring you here. It's because I already I've done some things here, so that's why you're seeing a picture here. But if it's a new download, you will not see anything here. So you just go ahead and open. You click on open up there, and then you bring in the picture you want to remove. Let's say, let me just pick this. Oh, sorry. No. Open. There's no. Okay, let me pick this. All the ones I'm picking here, you can see the logo here. It's always on any picture you generate with Gemini. This logo is always there. So to remove it, just get your smart seed, and when you get here, click on tools. When you bring in your picture, click on tools. Look at it down here. So just click on tools, and then you go ahead and click on E-Lane. Yeah, E-Lane. Then tools, E-Lane, you click on it, and then you tap on the logo once, boom, and it's gone, just like that. And then you save you click on this mark, and then you click on export. Export it here, it's down here. Yeah, click on it and you save. And you can also go ahead and edit your picture here also. Before saving, you can click on the tools. There's a lot of things you can edit. You can tune your picture, you can do a lot. You can see that's adjustments, right? Yeah, you can do a lot of things here. Contrast, brightness, you know, you can edit your picture here. Yeah, you can edit it here as you like. You can even add texts on it here. You know, you can do a lot of things. Just look around, play around with it, and that's it. Yeah, thank you. And if you want to learn how to turn your image into videos, into AI videos, just send me a message to join the class.